Good afternoon. This is Grandma Freeman, and this is what I'm getting ready to cook for supper or dinner tonight. Okay, first of all, I was able to get this beautiful Nolan Ryan roast beef. So right here you can see the original price was $7.99 a pound, and this is a pound .24. So this was on the weekly digital deal for $4.98 a pound. So actually I only paid $6.17 for this little roast. This will be dinner for two. And I have this little onion, which I'm going to chop up to go in with it. And I have 3 little cloves of garlic. Maybe there's more there, but at least 4. Okay. And then I have some celery. I have some carrots. And I have these new red potatoes. And then I'm going to braise the roast on all sides first. I'm going to use this Pompian organic extra virgin olive oil. And so I'll braise it on all sides, and then I'll add the garlic and onion on top. So that'll be the first thing I'll do, is chop up the onion and mince the garlic. And then while that's cooking, I'm going to add about 2 cups of water into this Dutch oven over here. And after, I'll braise it in there too with the olive oil. And then I will get it going with the onion and the garlic for about 2 hours. I'll bring it to a boil first, and then I'll turn the heat down to a medium simmer, and cook it for about 2 hours. And while that's cooking, I will prepare the celery, the carrots, and the potatoes, and get those peeled and prepped, chopped up, to go in the broth. The water and the meat will create a broth after 2 hours. And so I'll put that right in there with the meat and cook it for maybe 15 minutes, or until the potatoes and carrots and celery are tender. And then I'll probably make a gravy, because my son likes gravy. And then I'll set the table and serve it for dinner. I hope it'll be ready at least by 6 or before. If not, it'll be supper. So I think I mentioned in one of my earlier videos that I was planning to eat better. I said in February, and I've been doing a little bit better than I did in January. I was just sort of eating up everything that was left over in January, and trying to do a no-cost, low-cost January. So this looks like it's going to be a very good cooked from scratch meal. Nothing already prepared except the olive oil. And I'm looking forward to this. It's one of my favorites. I do have some herbs. I may add a few herbs into it, but the garlic and the onion is really a good flavoring. Of course, I will use salt and pepper. As soon as I have the meat braised on all sides, I'll salt and pepper it as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.